All right, so this is quickly about this environmetrics glossary. It's an attempt to convey some terms, learn a little R, hopefully be useful for people who aren't doing R. But essentially I'm going to give you one quickie on how to do it. So it starts off here. It has a next that'll walk you through the topics. Right now there are only 5 of the topics completed. There are 14 topics that we will get to in here, which is take you all the way through logistic regression. But right now, just go ahead and hit the next topic so I can show you how to use this. Each of these will have a definition of the term, and the idea here is to define some terms. Then they'll have a little bit of R code. This is on a live Shiny server, so you can actually run it. The idea is that you can come in here. You could modify this if you want, but you click the run code and slide down a little bit, and you'll see the answers. So right here, what happens to the mean if the number 30 is included in the list? You simply copy it and you paste it down there, and you do plus 30, and then you run the code. Okay, and it goes from 5.5 to 8.5. And again, so it also shows you how to do it with the vector here. That in some ways makes it easier. And again, you simply could cut and paste and change things and rerun them, or you could actually just rerun them within the same. So I could run the code here, and without cutting and pasting, I could go ahead and add my 30 and run the code right there, and it would change right in that value. All right, so I'm a little verbose here and giving many places to do things. There will also be some quizzes, all right, and nobody's keeping track of this. It's just for you to have an example. So what happens when the number 30 to the my values vector, I could guess, and it will just tell you what it is, what the right answers are, and move on. Again, you don't have to do the quizzes. They're there just for you to see if you've done it correctly. There aren't quizzes for every single one, but there are quizzes along the way to help make sense of it.